You know, you return from work only for you to find a place to keep your head and rest. Suddenly your phone rings and you pick it. The family is calling. School fees, house rent, feeding, and lots more. I was in this same condition 2016, 17, 18 during Buhari's regime. It was very difficult to sort my bills until I learned a digital skill on how to use my smartphone and send an SMS then make commission. With this very skill, I was able to survive comfortably during Buhari's regime down till this very Tinubu's regime. I mean, very comfortable. So if you know that this government is not favoring you or this economy is not smiling on your side, your salary is not enough, the money you're making is not enough for you to foot the bills, listen, I can teach you that same skill for free. Yes, for free. But mind you, this is not affiliate marketing, it is not cryptocurrency, it's not forex trading. So please get that clear. And it's not a get rich quick scheme. So if you're actually looking for a quick money, so please kindly pause this video because this is not for you. Yes. But if you can send an SMS with your phone and make extra 500,000, then I've arranged a free class for you. Free. I don't need your money. You just use the money for yourself, so I don't need your money. All you have to do is click the link attached to this video. There's a task we are going to give you. You do the task and get access to the free class. Mind you, I've trained a whole lot of person. Yes, Barrister Grace. Barrister Grace is a renowned barrister who owns chambers in many states. I mean, different parts of the country, many places in Lagos. Here's our testimony for working with us. Yes, Madam Cynthia Jen. Madam Cynthia is a scriptwriter and a movie director with Nollywood. But yes, our testimony. There are a lot of testimony. Yes, an army officer. Yes, it's testimony. There's a pastor, single mom, students. There are a lot of testimony everywhere. But all these testimonies are not important. What is very important is you being able to make extra 500 to 1 million, 700, 600. If I'm able to teach you how to make that kind of money, then I think I'm fine. So you'll be able to join the people who are sharing this testimony. That is what is most important. So if you know that you would like to be among these people who are sharing this testimony, I would advise you to click the link now, get the task, fulfill the task, and get access to the free class. See you in the training. Click the link now. Let's work together. I'll hold you by the hand and show you what to do.